Hello, everyone, and welcome to another session of learning about Kedro-Viz. My name is Nero Okwa. Again, I will be talking today about the dataset preview feature on Kedro-Viz. Now, this feature basically enables you to preview your datasets in the Kedro-Viz UI, and it's useful if you want to debug and investigate and inspect your dataset prior or after the data transformation. In Kedro-Viz, you can currently do this with Excel and CSV datasets, and that is what we're going to be going through. You enable it by setting up the preview arg attributes in your catalog, in your data catalog, and declaring the number of rows using n rows. And let's get stuck in. Okay. So preview. Tags, and then n rows for the number of rows we want to preview. You can do the same thing on the companies. Okay, maybe we'll make it 10 rows. And the same thing on the layers. 20 rows. And that is done. Now that is done, the next step is simply to do Kedro-Viz and open it up in our UI. Okay, so now that we've set up dataset for reviews, shuttles, and companies, so we see that the preview dataset opens here on the metadata panel. So if you click expand preview table and you go back, and we do the same thing for shuttles, expand preview table, and we can see the 20 number of rows. And lastly, if we do it for companies. And there you have it. Today, we've gone through how to set up dataset preview in Kedro-Viz to be able to preview your datasets and investigate your datasets prior or after any data transformation. I hope this was helpful, and good luck.